Hello, I'm Dr. Meg Bouvier. I know many of you are worried about your ability to remain competitive in the rapidly changing NIH funding landscape. It can feel nearly impossible to keep up with the breakneck pace of changes. Wouldn't it be nice to have someone to track those changes for you, someone to whom you could direct all your urgent submission questions? We now offer a membership that allows just that. You can attend our biweekly live Q&A, ask the Grantwriting Expert, and ask questions, view mini tutorials, and hear timely advice on grantsmanship issues from me and my guests. We offer recordings of these sessions so you can view the content at leisure if you prefer. You also can attend First Fridays, my monthly virtual office hours on the first Friday of every month, and receive targeted advising on your specific circumstances. This live Q&A membership is the most affordable way to keep current on the rapidly changing NIH funding landscape and to get your urgent application questions answered by an expert. I look forward to seeing you at these live events, and I wish you the very best of luck on your grant submissions.